Oh, hello everyone. You might not recognize me because I got too tan. Just kidding. Hi guys. I am back home in my student room and I didn't finish my top on the plane back. I had little left to do, but I underestimated how fast I can crochet on a plane. But it's Tuesday. We got back on Sunday evening at like 12 midnight at home, my parents' home. And yesterday I just chilled and I finished this like in half an hour. I only needed half an hour more. But I finished it. It's super cute. I haven't tried it on yet, but I'm going to try it on and I'll show you in a bit. But this is the garment. Look at it. I haven't sewn in the ends yet and I am not planning to do so anytime soon until I will wear it, because I just don't wanna. I have lots of stuff to do because next video is going to be market day video, because upcoming weekend is 2 markets and I am not going to edit this video this week. It's gonna come out next week and then the market video will come out the week after, because I just have too much to do and I can't be bothered to edit this. I'll try it on and I'll show you, okay? Okay, don't look at this because I chose this real quick. These are my chill pants, you know, but how cute is it? Ooh, I'm so happy. It's so cute. My boobs look really big, but that's okay. Okay, I have to like crouch weirdly for this, but this is the best thing I have made in a long time. And I'm proud. Yeah. Okay. It's so cute. My boobs are falling out, but it is so cute. I love it. I love the colors. Even the freaking stewardess. The plain lady. She really liked the colors and she liked what I was making, which was really cute and really nice of her. The sleeves are perfect. They're not too tight. They're actually quite loose, which I really enjoy because I don't like it when crochet items are like in my armpit. So this is pretty nice. This fits. Like, yeah, I'm wearing a little bit too small of a top underneath, which are pushing the boobs, you know, in my favor, but you know. But it's really cute. It closes perfectly. And I freehanded this, so I was completely prepared for it not to close, because I always underestimate the bust circumference. But it closes. It's a little tight, but I still have to block it, so you know, it'll make some movements. It's fine. This is perfect. Best free-handed item so far. But I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support me and to see other videos of mine. If you like what I make, please click the notification on if you'd like to stay updated with whenever I post, then click the bell icon next to the subscription button and click the link in the description, which is my Instagram link to both my Instagrams. It's Freckles Design and Freckles and Frills, and Freckles and Frills is my crochet business. Freckles Design is my main handle. It's my company, Freckles. But Freckles Design is where I post everything that I draw, like the stickers and postcards that I'm making currently, So I would love if you would support me on that Instagram as well. And I'll see you in my next video, or on markets if you stay updated when I have my next art market. I announce them in my Instagram stories. I would love to see you there sometimes. When you watch this, the markets have probably passed, but you will see them anyways. And I'm going to have multiple markets. Like, I won't stop doing markets. I think at this time of the year the market season is kind of over-ish, but I'm still planning to do some autumn markets and Christmas markets, so I'll keep doing markets just a little bit less frequently than I was doing now. Next weekend I have 2 markets back to back. One is like a small town market that is in the morning, and the other one is a big ass market on a very touristy place, so that one is more hectic. And for that I have a 4-meter stand. 4 meters. That's a lot of meters. But yeah, that's so. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.